be showing you how to make an epic lead like Swim. We're looking at this track out there and we're gonna get straight into the video and see how it's made. So if I solo the layer, it sounds like this. As you can see, there's a slight bit of automation. Great, so the sound itself is made in Serum and is a preset for my Eurotrance Volume 2 pack, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how to make it from scratch. If you want the pack has over 60 presets for making modern day Eurotrance, so definitely check that out. The link for that is in the description. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. Great, so if you have a look at the MIDI, we're in the key of A sharp minor, and that is this here. So what we're doing is working up the scale from the F sharp. So we're basically going from the 7th to the 8th back to the root like this. This is done a lot in trance music and really helps to create sort of emotion. So rather than starting on the root note like we do in a lot of genres, we sort of build our way up to the root note. So yeah, it's a simple way to make it feel very sort of emotional. So yeah, we have the F sharp here, and then on top we have the G sharp. So if we have a look at the length of the notes, so these are basically 3/4 length notes going along like this, all the way along the bottom, 3/4 length notes. As on the top, the same thing, 3/4 length. So obviously a full length would be the whole bar. But 3/4 is here, and then that goes on like this. Then we make them obviously a lot shorter, so they're a 1/4 bar long, and put them right next to each other and leave a little gap here, and they can plan like this. Great, so then to do it yourself from scratch, I'll show you how. So let's just pick G minor. We're going to start obviously over here with those third notes. And like before, we've got these, and then we can just work our way up like so. So it's going to look something like this. We can then start by building the notes on top. So you could just go for like the third like this. It's always easier to hear if it's going to sound good when you've got a vocal in place, but we can just sort of freeball it anyway. So again, you might as well just duplicate these along so you've got the pattern. So I just basically built up with these, and this is what it sounds like. Obviously you don't want to copy it exactly the way he's done it because it's kind of just a bit scummy. So what I do is sort of do that same thing, bring it back down, and you can play around with these notes. So instead obviously we're going up, we could go down, maybe change the bass notes. Now that sounds pretty cool. We've still got to adjust that top note. So that sounds cool. It's kind of like over mono-y, you know? So now you know how to make your own MIDI. Let's have a look at the sound design itself. So as I said, this is a preset from the Eurotrance Volume 2 pack, and I'm going to show you now how to make it from scratch. Great, so click menu, initiate the preset. We can keep this the same. Turn on the filter, go for like an MG low 18, doesn't matter too much. Bring that down a bit. Go to envelope 1, make this sort of shape. Envelope 2, make a similar shape. It's completely up to you. You can always change it later. And like, that's pretty much it. Or so you can have it shorter and then use like a macro on the release and stuff like this to make it longer. Add a reverb, or of course. And that's literally it. Maybe add this macro, a filter. More release. I've also added a noise, so organic AC hum, and yeah, the envelope 2's a lot tighter, and envelope 1's a little bit looser. Yeah, pretty simple. Obviously make your own, just play around with the cutoff the envelopes, and of course the reverb and stuff like that. You can maybe even add, yeah, like this hyper dimension. Like, that sounds fucking sweet, if you ask me. Anyway, thank you very much, guys. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you next week for another video. Cheers.